Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make homemade chocolate biscuits. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. The first thing you're going to do is to sift your all-purpose flour. Next, sift your cocoa powder into the all-purpose flour. Add your granulated sugar, grated nutmeg, cinnamon powder, then you combine. Add baking powder and combine. Next, add margarine, then you rub in the margarine into the flour content. Next, add evaporated milk. You can as well use any liquid milk you have. Add it little at a time. Then add the remaining. Add additional margarine. Then you keep mixing until you get a non-sticky dough. The next thing you're going to do is to place the dough on a flat surface. Then you divide Then you knead a little and spread the dough with a rolling pin. So spread the dough not too thick. Then next, with any cutter of choice, you cut the dough into your preferred shapes. So I'm using a circle cutter. So next, place it on a baking tray. Repeat the same process. Then you can indent holes. You can use toothpick or any object that could give you a clean hole. As you guys can see, this has taken biscuit shape, or rather form. Hope you guys are seeing this. So place on a baking tray, as you guys can see, and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. And this is it. Our delicious chocolate biscuit is ready. Like, you can try this from home. Okay, this is a homemade chocolate biscuit. Guys, it was so nice. So it's not something that is hard to come up with. Okay, so make sure you try this out and leave me a comment in the comment section. Now, for the recipe measurements, check the description box below, and don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.